ProHR makes your job posting effortless. You can post a job from Jobs section by using Post a New Job button. Clicking on it will take you to the page for posting a new job where you need to fill in few relevant information like title, experience level, skill, salary expectation, deadline, etc. Now, we will proceed with filling all of them until to the point where we need to post the JD. With our GPT 4.0 JDs can be generated within 10 seconds. You can make any relevant changes and save it for this role for future job posting. Clicking Continue button will take you to next step. For us, we have VSD here. In this step, you can set your questions with specific time allotment alongside templates. However, we have the templated questions ready for easier understanding. You can always make any change, addition, or subtraction as per your requirement, including the weight of each question. Clicking Continue will take you to the screening question panel where you get to set questions for initial screening of the candidates. There will be different pre-built question types from where you choose the most relevant type for you. For us, the IST question is the year of experience, and by setting the right answer to more than 1 year, will automatically screen out candidates having experience less than that. Clicking the Continue button again will take you to the review page where you get an overview of the job post for a final check. By clicking on the Publish button, we'll get your job published. Now you will be able to see the posted job under the Jobs section.